Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima. Manomtut kakam kajam emar kajingram biang boarding. One shaka orange electrical long sopo Nongsaiñ nakabenta ki diesel generator.
Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma Hagasi Baar Leit jurip ya Mawlai ringkat kerja dan UMLA katanya buat proses di saukme nak benta ban pynbna ban bujli no igi pipe ki bala rem bat ki bala pentut ya karukom sam syagi tliwieng ha kani kasgi Conrad ula pynbna ba sarkar lingba katrat PHE kelamang hadu nreu klur nrup saulak tingka pan sedang no ya kani kakam kaban wanra ya kajing bentoy igi pipe ba kisna Mawlai.
My dear friend, Mr. P.G. Sangma, our headmen from the different localities who are here, and other citizens of Mawlai area, our chief engineer from PHE, and all our friends who have come here today to be part of this very short and small meeting. Friends, the government of India as well as the state government is very keen to ensure that proper drinking water supply through proper pipes is given to all the households, at least in the rural areas for sure, and also to move towards the urban areas, whichever are old and whichever is left. So our endeavor will be to cover and to renew the ones that are damaged also. So therefore there is a massive work and massive program going on with the effort both of the central government and the state government to give proper drinking water supply through pipelines. It is with this intention today we are happy to announce and inform all of you that some of the old feeder lines and the pipelines that are here in Mawlai that's been there for a very long time, which have not been repaired, with the continuous intervention and continuous push from your local MLA, who has been very active, and he visits my office very often to take up issues about Mawlai. So with his efforts, we have been able to push this through, and now the 6.4 crores to replace the old pipes have been taken up. And once we finish this, we are hopeful that further we'll be able to take up things in a second phase also. So definitely it will be the endeavor of the government to ensure that the old pipelines are replaced and new pipelines come in. But it may not happen in one go. So in the first phase, we'll be taking up this main line of 6.4 crores, and then the second phase we will take up the rest. And I think from the government side, I would also like to inform you that in the rural areas we are going for a massive program this year and the next 3 years in fact, which is called Jal Jeevan Mission, which is to ensure that every rural household will get water through pipeline. And this year itself we are targeting almost 2 lakh households, and like that every year they'll be touching about 1.5 to 2 lakh households. We have a target of almost touching 6 lakh households throughout the state, and we are very confident, and the PHE department, the chief engineer and his entire team have been working very hard to ensure that we are able to achieve it. Just few days back I had visited Soyong constituency, and I was very happy to see that many houses are being connected. In fact, this month itself in Soyong polling station alone, there will be about 900 plus houses which will be connected, and we could see the difference that it's making in the people's lives, where children and women and other people had to stand in line for hours and hours to get water. Today they are getting water at their houses. So this is a very important project, and I would just thought I'd inform all of you about that project too. But let me assure you that the Mawlai area is something that is very important for us. My friend was mentioning about not being in the ruling side. I can assure you, as a government, for us, we are a government for the whole of the state. We try to work to ensure that there is a balanced development throughout the state. When we are in election mode, we are in parties, but when it comes to governance, then we are a government for all the people, irrespective of ruling or opposition. So we always ensure that we help everybody, and I'm very happy that this project is coming through. I'm sure this will help the people of Mawlai, and let me assure our local MLA that we will continue to do our best to ensure that the people of Mawlai get as much development as possible under his leadership as MLA and under the entire working of the government.
Dito hakani ka po ang mentang nakaliang juga ngasko ban ora kakto kan teli ki point ki ba don kam hakabadi bar kini ka kani keski ban mentang keski nakaliang jong si pendesta unsa wan ya ka ban yuk jat hang ni hapo jong ta song Mawlai jungi hapo ngai kut ala hang te ko ngai no pre di Madagaskar nak liang si pendesta usai support Delhi di hagalinti ko jung nak liang jung usai yang hang te ko ngai no pre padang tu kalau kendan ka anong ka jingkan nak liang jung makabangan kerpan si pendesta baki dan wiwi scheme kiba nak liang jung dan kam kalau bani ke man yarap lem hakapde baka jingbit jingbiang kapade jong ka mulai konsi berapa bay tato ni ko ni siap ya cakap mentip sepi hakabede bat ni ke sini benda ni ko ni siap maupun pau di sungu yang si benesta ba nak ni ngajung mentang dengan soka juga dapat asnam stek ba hakani ke jing dapat asnam stek nak ni ngajung la sanction ya ke scheme jong ka Mawlai jungi ke long ndri saulat dai fu hajar kani ke scheme kan dai nak beta bon wengno yakini ki pet ki barim ki badai jong ka long round road kan ke thup do kina po ying dan na janing ba bo komputer ba bo kan ya hadu ong tai hapo jong ka mali wan ka bangi ong ajan jong ka lum jing tep jong ka balang presiden di habri berkeni ka kam ka PHE nomor ba nakaliang jong PHE ki hap ya ka banti ya ka surok kani ke jiti surok kan bon ma nomor ba Allah menen no tini ba mo terror kum tu hadu hotai po lum jitep jong balang presiden po maliwan di kan kanihi ngelaban ong ba kanong ngakam ka ba khrau hadu kata badang phai ya kani ke scheme kani ke scheme ini yo sanction na do usnam do arthritic march sejak nas pak nyoko arthritic march sejak nas pak nyoko na sanction yang ni ke scheme ade ke bang ade ke long round road bang batai ngamata di hang ni udan feeder pipeline udan pipe dan po di uni pipe malong mata usnam sejak nas pak nyoko la sanction kakan dai lak tingka kata pisungku kamu kelas lem haka bedai bat uni upai budan hang ni apa surat di la commission ni ke scheme kamu scheme dari kamu harus kerja kena sepanjang besar di hang ni apa ben batai pi Mawlai dan lately ki division gue pek ya umdi kawai ka electrical division kapa pom nang tai na po nang tai na salang watas by scheme ka pom nang tai katan baka sasame ki betajo Mawlai kabun electrical ka berka surat atau subuh ka suthek hapotop di hadiran tu pada kasim investigation division bersam yaki yaki yang sem kata kadi ka bentah habadi investigation jadi ni ke scheme bangi kani ke scheme bang minister lo sanction kadi ke scheme jong ka investigation ya ka ban replace no ban weng no yang ni ini pipe berdan mentah ni po sedok safun rius nem ni pipe dan di safun rius nem pisoko laslam ha ni pipe yang ni po kendo di samtam ke jembun kali hang ni di spa hajar kali ya lak non di lak ya safun rius nem di pipe kanang ni isni ni pipe ngam sipo kalau poi ke bentah kalau habak ni pipe mentah kila sarang kila jot kila perah bat ka ligage lu nak kapor di hadi mang nak liang jong ngai ba kan ni jing ligage song ka bat ni sarang jong pai bat ka PHE ru nak liang jong ka la le stom nak kapor ya kaban ya kaban repair ya gitu pai ki ba ligage bat kumjo ba ki ba la damage di hapren jong ka jing trestom nak liang PHE department musimla berpenggiat kajing kedua apa mulai kadai nak dau ba kini kipai kila sarang kipai kila jat kila para kala khambun ko ka bani sabar ban ya beri posno dikal pelong nak yang juga kalau ba la iya kini kajing ya di PHE di ong pet ngim la asyo klarah ti namar ba ligit klabon palat tingi so kemen na kanyi tristom na kalyang PHE department rekat khamtam na kalyang ba TP walang kum principal secretary jong PHE rekat chief engineer rekat ba additional chief engineer na kalyang SE na kalyang ex engineer SDO obasya Allah pan ulong kam ya kanika jingmu ya banyo ini sanction di sen sedang nak matai ni kam maka ni kam lakom do kumno dak bit kabiang nomor ba dak bit kabiang obnai Oktober sedang nak ni kam di obnai Oktober di benai ba ngi perkat ode ba stop la kam duna de uslam de jur hansyu tingi kwang sedang nak obnai Oktober tu ter kania isin do Oktober November December January February target jang PHE pendep ini kam pada hadu 31st March aja aku way kata target jangka the humility bahkan biangkan bit teka jingkhot jang si minister mata sngi away nak kalian jawaban pau semua EU baru sanction dengan ni skim kabenta ka ar pada kabenta ka ar maka pa EU nak kabenta gani kipai ki bedai persection with how begini kipai ki bedai persection pot haru la kadai pondong pedeng la kadai masyar la kadai stala karya dan baki pemuri la kadai mendah nonglum la kadai Eurohab dan nongpar kini kipai paro ke kini kipai tu kelas lut kini kipai galik lut dikidon kam bangin yo ya sanction ke batmai dina tak dau nak terpat ke yo ban kerpat ba syah atau ti benda sepo dari ban liang siapa orang siapa dan tu kan kerpat nak lew juga nang bandak lew jo PHE haba kan kria ya profesor ban pan ya ke jingrap ya sanction dau si minister bat hi ya finance planning bandak lew sanction pat ya ki pek ya beri posno pot kau nang ba ngila ya ka ban weng ya ka jing ke duum ka bedai ke hapo jong ka ngolai kon sihi par kowe